All right. Got Brother Adam gonna help me out. Man, I can feel this vibe, man. I know we're gonna work this out. Real funky. Here we go. Everybody better get on up down. I said rock your body, rock your body, rock your body right now. I said rock your body, rock your body. Everybody right now. Everybody get on up now. Saturday night, have fun. I say everybody get on up now. Take it away, Al. Wait a minute, just wait a minute, all right, take it at 'em, take it at 'em. Okay, we're gonna try something else. You like that? Okay. Let me get it together. Thank you very much. We enjoyed all y'all too. We're gonna slow it down like this. Spread your love around, spread it all around. Thank you very much. I got one more for you. I got one more for you.